Goes not a flipper, eh? Do delete your chat? Or do you just keep both? I don't mind keeping both.
Okay, morning everyone. It's looking like quite an interesting day today. Let's just get rid of all this. Morning chat. Morning everyone. Let me just get this up. Where is it? There you go. Okay, so is there any news coming at 6-7 o'clock? Yeah, a little bit of news, Euro news, GBP news. Okay, dokey. Not too bad. LC blurry as fuck. We'll see. It might get sorted in a sec. So I mean, yeah. So there's no real news at 7 o'clock. That's okay. GJ. Finally, the daily's closed nicely. Actually, hasn't really closed above our line. Actually, I know it did. Yeah, it closed above, which is good. Through Asian session, we've had some big moves as well. Let's just take a look. Is it blurry? Good. Okay. So clearly for GJ, we are still very bullish, right? So buys are going to be the most preferred thing already. Realistically, on the daily time frame. Realistically, on the daily time frame, we should continue up to 165.927. That looks like the next resistance. I think everyone can see that. 4 hour time frame closed strongly bullish above. This one's made a nice little lower wick. And it's going to potentially break it soon. The hourly time frame is also going to close in 2 minutes time. The 30-minute candle of 15 as well. So it looks pretty good to continue. Take a look to the left hand side. We've actually got clean candles, really. Can you see it? Can you see this here? 1 second. We've actually got clean candles here, 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 here. So it suggests that in this area, it does actually move very, very nicely. So that's going to be good. So where can we target them for these buys? For me, it's probably going to be up here, 959. Yeah, it's going to be pretty nice, I think. I think that's going to be a nice little target. So, I mean, yeah, if this candle closes, this 30-minute candle closes bullish above, then it makes a nice little low wick, then I don't see why not. So look at the hourly. Yeah, hourly is going to be breaking the previous high right now. It's also 4 hour previous high, so yeah, it looks good. Stop loss would be 20 pips in the previous 30, so you have to rock that. Okay. It's half long GG, so we'll see. We'll see. And yeah, good morning everyone in Zoom as well. So yeah, I might end up these GJ buys really. Mr. GJ. Just closing in 49 seconds. Okay. So 165, it's going to be about 450 looks like. So it's breaking the hourly highs right now, which is interesting. 24 seconds before the closure. So we may actually just get this drive now, we'll see. Let's take a look at gold. Gold as well in the 4 hour time. The 4 hours closed below, so sells are going to be nice for gold. There's news now? Yeah, the Halifax HPI, that's true. Expecting 0.1. Yeah, wait for that news to come out as well then, eh? We'll wait for that news to come out as well. So yeah, we'll see. Because the hourly's closed bullish above now, 30 minute to 15, yeah. The shading out news is right there, HPI. We'll see the score. We'll see the score. Yeah, so for gold, as I said, the 4 hour time is closed below. So for me personally here, the 4 hour time frame is closed below support, and we should realistically continue back down to 1685 now. 1685. Okay. So if we look over here, the daily time frame is clearly very bearish. Okay, clearly very bearish. We're actually passing below these supports now, which is also interesting. The 4 hour time frame, as I've said, is making a top wick right now. How big is this top wick actually? Let's just check. It's only 25 pips, so man, if this reflips this 4 hour, I'm probably going to take the 4 hour flip, to be honest. With confidence of other things. Take a look at the hourly and the 30 and the 15. Start to see in the 30 minute time frame that we have a support right here. 1692. So I mean, a closure below there would be nice, but I also think the 4 hour flip would be beautiful because the stops are actually pretty good. Even previous stops are 50 pips. This is 27. It's not too bad. That's not too bad. So let's take a look at this news when it came out. 0.4%. Changing the price of homes financed. Interesting. So a positive change? As in the price has gone up. Okay, GJ Max, yeah, it's just a little bit of news in here, but it's nothing too bad. Solely due to the inauguration of the new Prime Minister, GJ is flying. I don't know. Don't know why I'd be flying for that bitch, to be honest with you. I don't think it's... must have something a little bit more important than... Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. So yeah, I mean, this 4 hour time frame on gold looks good, man. It looks good to continue down. I may have to wait for a 30 minute closure below. Maybe. Or maybe a 15 minute closure. But the 4 hour play is a good play to take if you want. 2. Yeah, it's a shame that news just came out right at that point. That's kind of where I wanted to take my trade, to be honest. Was there any other entries to get in? Nah, this is kind of choppy. I mean, maybe that 50 minute there, but wasn't the cleanest. Wasn't the cleanest. So yeah, I mean, sells below here. If you get sells below 1692, we should fill to 1688. Why am I the trading view keeps lagging out? It's kind of annoying. I wonder if it's my thing. 1 second. Task manager. 72%. The memory might be the memory that's the issue. It seems to be lagging. It seems to be not doing 250 frames, which is annoying. On your screen or like on my Zoom, is your trading view lagging, or is it my issue? So if I go to 5-minute trend line, let's take a look, right? So for me, there was 5-minute trend line before, but for me, it didn't really come and retest the trend line. Yeah, I saw that one here. It's a little bit steep on the steep side, but I think it's still pretty reasonable. Also had one like that, which worked out okay. That one is reasonable. How much did you get? 14 pips, not too bad. My issue for it is that I'm so heavily bearish on this bitch that I don't really want to take any spies right now. Especially when the 4-hour close bearish below. So yeah, there's not really much of a 5-minute trend line really for the sells yet. So yeah, I think a closure below is going to be beautiful. Closure below. Yeah, when I drag it, like, it lags like crazy. Yeah, I don't know why. I've never always done it. It's just recently. It did it yesterday as well. It did it yesterday. Yeah. So yeah, man. I'm gonna write in on here. So sells below. Sells below 1692. 25. Beautiful. And then for GJ, yeah, we've got to let GJ sort itself out with this little news over here. It seems to be struggling at 500 level. You can see it's right at 500. Let's take a look on the hourly if there's anything here. I think it's still clean upwards, man. So yeah, we'll see. I really kind of want this candle to kind of push all the way back down. And then if we reflip, then we're going to be good. But at the moment, it's got a little bit of rejection from that news, I think. So we've got to wait a little longer. So you had a little ultra scan on my arm, and god damn, I need to get a. Sorry, I had a little look at the doctors for my arm, and yeah, I need an ultrasound. He says that you might have some nipping thing. So I'm like, great. So here we go. This hourly's making a low wick, etc., etc. So maybe later on, if we stop pushing down and then we re-break the highs, that could be quite Gucci. That could be quite Gucci. Let's take a look here. And yeah, I just think. Always remember, man, especially in the gold, right? The 4 hours close below. Daily time is very, very bearish. For the most part, it's going to be a very bearish sell-off day today. For me, right, let's have some talking in the stream, man. Who the hell's who's here? Oh, not many two people here who have mics actually. Ginger's here. Ginger.
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me? I wanted to say hi. What you looking at, boy?
I'm just looking at gold.
Yeah.
waiting for the sales.
Yeah, the sales gonna be pretty good, eh?
Yep. I reckon.
1682, 1681. Because that'll come back down to these weekly wicks. Can you see we haven't got that yet? So I think that'll be a great target. To be honest, this GJ as well looks okay. It just needs to sort its low wick out for the hourly, and it should be good. Where the fuck is Brian? Is Brian on holiday?
I think he goes tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Brian is leaving on holiday tomorrow.
Yeah, he's going on holiday. He's going on holiday. Are you in a trade, Mr. Vince, this morning? Or not yet.
No, not anymore. I was in a good cold sun yesterday.
Uh-huh.
And it ran quite a few things. I have to look on my 5 minutes sell, and it ran for 2 hours. So.
Wow. Yeah, yesterday there was so many 5-minute trend line breaks as well. There was like fucking 5 of them, 6 of them, all worked. That was nice to see.
I sold at 1706.17.
1706.70.
No, 1715.
Oh, 1715.
0.21. Yeah, it came back to.
Oh, yeah.
But
yeah, that's a good little retest. That's a good city. How did that look?
That was actually an entry on the 5 minute. I took quite a small stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah, that little retest there.
Yeah.
See
so
how
an OB there. Did you draw like something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you see one at the previous bullish candle, the wick to it, but it didn't close in it. So it actually closed below that level.
Which one?
Shows that the one you have on you draw the box, yeah. And you see my entry candle. Go to the left a bit. Yeah, the one next to it is actually my entry candle. So you see how that bullish candle, it came all the way towards that area, but it didn't close in, which is also an area of previous support, which is now resistance. And since it didn't close above that area, there was a strong chance that the previous support really was resistance, coinciding with the OB. So as soon as it closed below it, I opened my sell order with a 20 pip standard stop loss for me, 20 pip on gold, and I let it run. Nice. And as soon as it hit the lower level on this, 17, what is it right there, 11 or something?
Yeah, like here.
See that big zone, the bottom of the zone, yeah? I went break even, and I let it run.
Nice. So what time is that at? That was at, like 1 o'clock. Beautiful.
So it's not open. I mean, it closed, so I don't know why. Maybe I pressed it. Because I sold another one later during the day, and I might have closed both of them.
I got you on YouTube busy packing and sorting out. I kind of feel I'm missed. I took all the pips this week, pussies.
Shut up, Brian.
Oh, God. Let's take a look at my 5-minute trend line. I really don't want to take buys on gold, man. This 4-hour closure below is rough for buys, to be honest. Unless it breaks that.
It's better to wait for a nice sell setup.
Yeah.
You see, probably will retrace back up quite a bit.
1702, I reckon we're coming back up to.
Yeah.
Somewhere up there.
And if sells would be easier, I mean, given the overall trend.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Do you have one actually higher up? Yeah, so that one did work. It was yeah. So I took that one. Interesting. 5-minute trend line yesterday on gold was too good for people. My God. So yeah, letting GJ do its thing, but I'm not gonna lie, I do think we should really continue here, and the zone above is really clean. So I'm just eyeing this up as we do. This 15-minute time frame is gonna close bearish though in a sec. But I also know that the 30-minute and the hourlies, etc., are still just making that lower wicks. I'll have to stop you there. Yeah, 20 pips. 20 pipperoonies. Dude, is Jason in this morning? Max, can you explain order blocks a little if you have time. I mean, I'm just learning from the other people I've put in here, but what I seem to understand is that it's a change of direction when a candle does opposite of the other candle. That's all I know from
Yeah, I can explain.
Is it just the two candles, or is it like the consolidation? That's what I didn't quite get. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. If you allow me, I can draw it on this chart very easily. It's a very clear one. I'll use a best example. So an order block is considered that I see two already in about 2 seconds time, and an order block is the last opposite price movement before a big move. What I mean with this, we have a big move here, yeah. Oh shit, this is not easy, Anna. I'm using my laptop for the zooms. So you see the big bullish candle here, yeah?
Yeah.
It created a big move up, yeah? We all agree on that. So the OB that created it, what do institutions and banks do? They want to buy at the best possible price to sell it at a high price. So if you're gonna buy something that you know is gonna push up, you want price to come down a little bit before you buy. This little sucker here, that little red one, is the OB that caused it. Yeah. Now it doesn't always hold, as you can see. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not. Nothing is 100%, but it's something to keep an eye on. This price broke below it. If we do like this, yeah, then you will notice in this level there's also gonna be an OB, but don't be focused on that one too much. The more clear one is this bullish candle.
Yeah, I was thinking that one.
It's the last price up before price really went down. So if you
Bell's
stare
coming out of there later.
yeah, if you stare at the charts long enough, what we will see is, I'll try to draw something decent here. So this is your OB, yeah, and what price tends to do is it will try to reach it. Sometimes it does the 50 level, sometimes it just taps it and comes down. Boom. This is an area of strong interest for me, and I know for Finn too.
100%. I've got a position on already.
He's fucking balls deep in it already. Makes sense though, for sure. That's a good order block one as well. I like that one.
And I'll explain to you why price does tend to come back to it. Imagine if you got like, I say, $5 billion to spend on trading. Are you gonna put it all on one trade, or are you gonna split your positions? I wouldn't put it on one, because if it goes tits up, you're down 5 billion.
Yeah.
So yeah, management is everything in trading. So the reason why it's gonna come back there is it worked. Yeah, they know there's pressure, but they also know that retail is looking at that. The problem is, for a lot of retail traders, there is the problem that they think, and that's where you're gonna get slapped. They see this level, yeah, and price is gonna go like this, because it's also Asian high. So what could happen is price is gonna go like this, yeah. Everybody's buying, because it broke the level, it closed above, and then
yeah.
it happened many times before. We've all been there. That's because they wait for the biggest price. So you can either put an order like Finn does, or you can wait to see how price reacts in that.
Yeah, and go like in the lower
I
time
always have
frame.
orders, because sometimes if you don't on gold,
Yeah, you miss them.
you get that 1 minute, but that 1 minute's already run at 10 pips.
Yeah.
So that's how I've been trading gold a lot recently.
And do you set it actually at the order block, or at the top of the top of those two candles, or the
This
bottom?
is the
or
middle.
the middle?
I think
The
Vincent
bottom
likes
of the middle. It depends.
Yeah,
It
the
depends
bottom.
how much you. If you don't feel bad about missing out the trade, you can take the middle of the OB, but that will make you miss out trades.
Yeah.
A lot. Yeah, a lot of the time. It's only a 12
Yeah.
pip stop anyway.
Yeah,
Like, it's
it all
fucking-
depends on how big you want your stops. Do you use fixed lots or not, or stuff like that?
Okay.
So,
yeah. I don't like waiting for the reaction because you know, if you lose, well, you go on to the next one. But if if it runs without you, then it's like, for
shitty.
fuck's sakes.
Yeah. The good thing is, you know that it will run quite a while if it respects the OB,
Well,
so you can
you know what-
open a smaller position and still make more money.
Yeah.
You always get a reaction out of it at least anyway. You could nearly
Yeah.
get BE nearly every time. Seriously,
Yeah.
it's actually
Right.
ridiculous.
Let's find one that I could have.
And where's your stop? Just above the candles?
Yeah,
Just
just
above
above
the
it. Yeah.
zone.
Literally
like-
just above.
Yeah, calculate in your
Yeah.
spread.
So if this one was here, oh, so it's not that
If
kind
you
of.
lose, you lose. It's too bad. You
Yeah.
know.
So if that came up there, that would be one.
Yeah, and I would have my stop above the wick.
Yeah.
Now all I can see is order blocks.
Yeah,
Fucking hell, man.
Like, you
Yeah.
need to. The problem is there's 100 on gold. You need to
Find the best ones.
one.
Yeah.
yeah, and
like
the ones
key
that
levels
haven't
and
been
stuff like that.
tested yet.
Yeah, key levels.
Okay.
It's actually using fibs and stuff is good on gold because it does.
There's one.
I find it gives you perfect like
Yeah, Max, we
retracement.
can see it's been
yeah, anyway.
mitigated and it's been broken.
Where?
So it's tested there, it reacted off,
Yeah,
and
but
it
that
dropped.
would be the trade, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, but it's not valid anymore now.
No, it's not valid anymore.
Yeah,
No, but I'm saying
no.
that's a little setup.
Yeah,
that
you see, perfect example. Same as today almost.
Mhm.
Also at Asian High.
Vincent, so once, like where Max just pointed that out, that order block got tapped, and so is that the end of that order block now? That like, is it like a once it's been hit, then it's not valid anymore?
Yeah, well, there's a bit of a discussion on that. Sometimes
Okay.
it still is, but if you want to be safe, I wouldn't just slap an order on an order block that's been mitigated once.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I would keep my eye on price action, because if you see, it's been tested, it worked. Second time price came around there, it just blew through it.
Yeah.
So there will always be a next one. So once it has been tested and it worked, stay away from it, or just keep your eye on it and don't just go sell if you see a bearish order block. Just be
Thank you.
careful with it.
God. I'm glad I asked that question. What an amazing explanation. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
man.
no
Cheers to that,
worries.
Vince.
No worries.
Good stuff.
No worries.
Good stuff.
Man.
All after learn.
Anyone sell out GJ fake out? I'm not touching GJ sells right now, Mr. Bry. Is there a? Ooh. What, just here?
Where are you talking to Brian?
YouTube. On the YouTube
Oh, I
chat.
was gonna say, what the fuck? Can I not hear him?
Yeah,
He
he
just
put on a
muted
wig
you.
and went incognito.
Yeah, he's just muted you. No one else.
He blocked you.
So yeah, we'll still see. I still want these buys, and I still think this Audi's got potential. I just gotta wait a little longer. But I think if it re-breaks that high, it should be good. It's just the stops are gonna be a little bit wild right now. 20 pips is actually not too bad, to be honest. Not too shabby. Makes things easier for you with OB Finder Indicator. Okay, let's take a look at this.
Don't trust all those indicators.
I want to see if it highlights ones that we've just talked about.
They're hit and
It's
miss.
nonsense.
Really? Yeah, I
They are
agree.
horrible.
Really? There's not any there anyway.
There is
Yeah.
one that could help you, especially when you're learning. Let's see if I can find it. And it does a pretty good job. It gives you a good idea. It's called, it's by Sonar Lab. Order blocks with signals. If you type in that one, it will give you a good idea. But you still have to do it yourself, you know.
Yeah.
If you slap that one on. Now it works better on the higher time frames, but you can see how it
Mhm.
includes the wick on the top of that one on your screen there, it's called a liquidity wick. So what I would do is I would draw a fib level just on the wick, because the price is highly likely to go into the wick zone instead of the actual candle.
And if it pops the high, you're pretty much fucked, aren't you? So
yeah,
the stop's always pretty safe.
Yeah, that's cool.
What
I
you
like
could
it.
do, because you see the one we marked, marked it up too. So it's a helpful tool, but don't rely on it.
Don't
Always
rely
use
on
what you know yourself. But if you're learning and you don't really know what to look for, just use that one and it gives you an idea. What you could do is when you're learning this stuff is put on the order blocks yourself and then slap on the indicator and make a comparison. So that maybe you.
So would you? So if price starts coming up here, right, Vince? Price starts coming up here.
Yeah.
Not in one candle, loads of different candles. Will you then check the 15 to 30 in the hourly and see what it looks like? Because for me, it would look like in this example, this would look quite good for a break and retest here. So, but you wouldn't. You just take it.
I would go top down, so I start to see how price is on the higher time frame, and we all know it's bearish.
Yeah.
You know, even though it's made a double bottom now, but
yeah, it's still bearish.
You see how that 1 hour where you're on now is a massive sell zone.
Yeah.
So what you do is you go through the 30-minute and you look where the OB of that one is, and it's at the top there. Now you go to the 15 and the 5, and you refine it. And it's gonna be right there at the top.
Yeah. Interesting.
But,
there you go. There you go, squad.
Since it's Asian's highs, I just watch it because it might wake out.
Yeah.
But what you could do is you could split your risk into 2 orders. You could put 1 order on, half risk. If it goes, you're gonna go fine because it's gonna take out Asian lows again, so it's a massive write down. Because it's still bearish on the higher time frames. If it doesn't go, you wait, because sometimes it does a fake out, and then you can enter on when you see a break of structure on the 5-minute or on the 1 minute if you want to.
Beautiful, amazing work, very nice. I like it. It's cool to see it. I think Craig actually messaged me yesterday, and I'll go through that as well with Craig. But I think Craig's a bit confused with that, so I think hopefully that makes a little bit more sense in that and what they're looking for. And yeah. Also, shout out to Ninja. Ninja did some editing with me yesterday. Wow, man, really good editing.
Yeah, my retest did not get activated.
Yeah,
what's this? So this is just a little, I gave him a little teaser to do them, and he did
have
well.
in this case. Where's the next supports?
Okay, well, how do you do that shit, man? How did you pick it up, Ninja? You just
it's
fuck around with it.
Around 1710 would be really good for a run. Left hand side. We didn't take them,
Jason
but for the most part, I'm watching it beautifully. And that's what I want to take from the markets. A trade that was.
I love that. Jason just laughing at the fucker. That's great. Let's take a look at EJ as well. Yeah, it looks like EJ's still struggling a little bit. Looks like Asian's been fucking pushing, man. Look at the Asian session. Damn. 124 pips. Shit. If you take a look at Asian session, where would you want to really take the trades? I mean, this is actually a W, and it's actually a retest as well. Interesting. That 30-minute closure was nice there. Nice low wick as well. It's 4 a.m. though. 4 a.m. So yeah, it's still early on though. It's only 7:30, so there's no rush really yet. And we're just waiting painfully. I know. Oh, I can see Don's on. Yeah, Don's waiting for those sells on gold. He's gonna take that 4 hour, I think. Is it broken a high yet? Let's take a look at stops. How big are stops? Oh, 442 pips are quite beefy on the 4 hour. Yeah, you gotta wait for a closure now, I think, below. Then it should be good. I'm surprised that the this news. So this news here. Change in the price of homes financed by HBO. So actually, good for currency. The reports on housing inflation. change in the price of homes financed. It's gone up by 0.4%. Yeah. Interesting. What do you think about GU? Well, we'll do a little GU breakdown as well. Is Session here? Yeah, Session will do a little breakdown on. He's not here yet. Session's not here yet. Yeah, I'll take a look at GU as well. I'll also do EJ as well while we've got time. While we've got time. So GU, let's look at the higher time frames. You can clearly see the trend, right? Very, very bearish. My God, are we gonna get even lower than this? Damn. So clearly very, very bearish, right? Daily time frames already broken the low of the previous and actually pushed down to the previous gap of the other thing. Got a little bit of a double bottom right now. It's starting to form, but it's overall very, very bearish. Okay, so take a look at the lower time frames and the hourlies and stuff. You can clearly see that this is a major level of support down here. And taking a look at just on the, I mean, how far are we from 1.1? Yeah, we're not too far from it. So, I mean, in the terms of the 30-minute time frame, we've got a clean candle all the way back up to 1.15057, which could be a good retracement in the next couple hours or so. And then when we get to there, you could potentially look for some resistance to form to then ride it back down to the lows. I think that's what I'd want to look for. So it'd be something like this, be a break away from structure, and then it'll be a resistance forming with a bearish closure, to then continue back down. So something like this, right? So we've broken out, which is this bit here, which is this bit there. We're tracing up right now, which is what these candles are doing, and then find a nice bearish candle when we come in and test the zone to then continue back down. That's probably the only thing I could see on the eye right now. So yeah. But 30 minutes actually closed above right now, makes it a little wick. Could be quite nice to continue bullish just to there. How big is this zone? It's 15 pips, it's not too bad. However, it is very, very bearish, isn't it? So I wonder what the JPY currency is doing right now, because they are struggling, I think. One thing you need to notice about that OB is the bear and bull colored blue and green respectively. Wait, what? Is that on the indicator? Just to look at the 5-minute, yeah, there's not much volume in GJ right now. So let us do its thing. 30-minute also just closed bearish back below. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at EJ as well, actually. So EJ, you can clearly see where its target is going to be. It's going to be at 144, which is still like 150 pips away, which is good stuff. Daily time frame, very, very bullish. The actual previous daily time frame, you know, yesterday closed bullish above. So this is what you kind of expect from it.
Max, can I say one more thing? I forgot a very important one to people who want to understand the order blocks. An order block is only valid because I think it was Paulie who said, oh, now I'm seeing order blocks everywhere. An order block is only valid when the price reaction it creates breaks structure. Because if you leave your chart open now, I can point out the difference.
You could see like that was one, right? And in these ones, but actually it's just a range, right? Because that's changing structure. Yeah, you go further, you explain.
This one is valid.
Yeah.
Because it broke structure. Yeah. This little one is also valid because it broke this structure. Yeah. But if we look at, let's say, where can we find a big move? Can you
look left more?
Yeah, look left more. I want to make sure I give them very clear. Oh yeah, I saw one. So yeah, you might say, oh, this one is an order block. Yeah, the green one here. But you see, it didn't close
below.
It didn't break this structure.
Yeah.
And that's why price broke through here. You see? So it needs to break structure.
Yeah.
Because this one, it did break this one. It didn't break this one, sorry. This was a structure this one needed to break.
Yeah.
And it didn't. so it wasn't valid.
Yeah.
That's why price just came plummeting down.
I mean that to be honest with you, that makes it much easier, right? Because then it's not actually all of the fucking candles; it's actually just specific ones. That makes it much easier.
No, it isn't.
Actually.
It isn't.
Yeah.
It's a very important thing to keep in mind. It has to break previous structure, otherwise you just ignore it.
Yeah. So this one here, do you mean structure from down here? So if this there didn't break these levels, then would it be classed as an OB or not?
I would ignore. Yeah, I would ignore it.
Yeah.
It's an order block, but it's not a strong one, so I wouldn't pay attention to it.
Yeah, because you're still holding that range. Yeah.
Yeah. I would even start looking at that as a breaker block almost, because an order block can become a breaker block, but that's lesson 10 or something. I don't want to confuse people, but no, very important. If you look at order blocks, make sure that the strong price movement broke market structure, and that way you have more.
So is the movement after the order block breaking structure that makes it valid?
Yeah.
Okay, so where
never before, because then if it would have been the movement before the order block existed, it's impossible. So it's always movement.
No, sure.
That has been created by the OB.
Okay, so on that order block, it's not the next 5-minute candle, but the one after that, as it broke below that structure, that's what validates it.
I think it's still called an order block, but it's just not a valid one that you take because it hasn't broken.
It's not a strong one.
It's not a strong one, so you wouldn't want to do it.
It's one to ignore, because otherwise you're stuck in a range. If you trade ranges, it can all be good. I mean, if you look at the range that we had, like if you look at this range, my man, you could have bought here. You see this one? Price touched it, came down, but it's range trading. It's not the same.
Yeah.
They can be useful, but they don't qualify as supply and demand zones, because it needs to break previous market structure to be a solid one, to be one you can trust. I mean, you have to eliminate all the things that can go wrong, and that means you don't take every trade. You look for the solid ones. You wait. You just have to be patient, and you will get them.
Yeah.
But you have to wait for it. Don't panic. If you miss one, there's always another one in about an hour or two or something. If not today, tomorrow.
So Andrea says, do you consider an OB valid only if it is engulfed? So you mean engulfed the previous one? I think that's what she means.
If it creates an engulfing.
Yeah.
Yeah, also. Yeah. That's an even stronger
one. Ooh.
So I know what Andrea means. It's like the candle after the first push down after the last push up. If it's an engulfing, you're more certain.
Yeah.
So it's all these little rules that if you add them all up, you eliminate a lot of them. But the more you can eliminate, the higher your success rate will become. And let's not forget, people, if you are trading 1 to 3 risk reward, which is not much, you only have to be right 35% of the time and still make money.
Yeah.
That's a good thing about it. You can be wrong 6 times in a row, and the 7th one is going to run a 3R, and you're still going to be on the winning side. But it's psychologically, it's tough for a lot of people. I mean, I don't mind letting my runner run 2 days, as you all know.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking hell, if it runs, it runs. But I take my profits a little bit sooner sometimes, unless I see, like last week, it's a banger, and I waited to take profits at 7R because it was worth it.
Mm-hmm.
That is sexy.
That was a good one, yeah. Yesterday it ran 5R, and then I took profits.
What did you get? 300 pips?
In the end, 300, I think it was 26 or something.
That's nice.
I made like 50 grand if I got that full risk.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
This GJ looks good, man.
It made my whole September month. I made enough, but I should not even be trading now. I don't want to. It was a good way to start the month, especially after fucking August. Well, I can't complain. I mean, I can't complain about August. I made a total of. You want to hear it? My percentage.
Yeah, percentage game, boy.
In August, it was a smashing 27 in total.
Yeah, that's good shit, 27.
So, yeah, pretty happy with that.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when you see a lot of people who are struggling. It's
I'm liking this. I'm liking this GJ, man. This is the hourly flip. I may get in on the hourly flip with a 20 pip stop here. It's 23 pips, quite a lot. It's quite a lot, unfortunately. How long left for this 15 to close? 5 minutes left. Yeah, I'll see how this 15 closes. See how this 15 closes. Thank you so much. Thank you for such a clear explanation, Obi. It's done my head in lately.
all been there.
If this stop was a little bit juicier, well, a little bit nicer on the eye, I'd be going for this. But I mean, it is half risk. 22 pips. You've got 5 minutes left for this 15. We'll see. Let's take a look at EJ as well. EJ's coming up. Also,
might have a possibility of buy on gold.
yeah,
Buy on gold, yeah, I'm looking at the same.
the trend line.
Broke above the trend line. I want a retest on it, but I don't think we will get it.
Is that another one? Wait.
Oh, mine comes all the way from the top.
Yeah, that.
Or this line
I see
comes
it.
from 1720.
1720. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a big trend.
We like
Several
beach, yeah.
touches, but it just broke it. Will not retouch. I think it's pushing up hard.
Yeah, yeah. Still look
I
at
feel like
the
half the
30.
time it's not even retesting the trend line, it's just retesting price.
Oh yeah.
Not a big stop either if you just go below the previous 5 or whatever. Below that bit of structure.
3 minutes left for the 15. How big is this zone from there to there? That's 14
15-minute
pips.
pull down might get it, honestly.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Oh, this 5 minute close? Yeah, bullish above. Interesting. Yeah, watch this 15 close. I want to close above this little res over here. It's at the 500 level, so just gotta be a little bit cautious in the entry. EJ, yeah, it's still continuing up. The only thing that worries me is the 15 price action isn't the nicest. I suppose it's broken here. It's retested. Let's look at the 30 as well. Yeah, 30's a bit rough as well, to be honest. Do 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 do. Is that gold? Yeah, I think this gold. Has it broken the 4-hour highs now? Yeah, it's broken the 4-hour highs. It's broken the 4-hour highs.
think a retest on the 15-minute would be nice.
On gold or GJ?
On Goldie.
Yeah.
Because I want gold to retest that order block that Vincent talked about.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sirree. That's a code. It's a hard one on this GJ. Don't think it's gonna get the closure I want it.
I'm more inclined on sales, because it's within the daily OB zone. So that's really the only reason why. It's just this big major zone.
There to
And
there.
it could. Yeah.
I see that.
Also, it could just be a trend line fake out as well. Because you know how there was like that bearish trend line, it's just been holding for days and days.
Mm-hmm.
Like just the overall major structure wise. I'm anticipating a potential fake out as well, yeah.
Mm.
On top of that, with GBP, with this spike in price, it could just be just the rumors of the new prime minister doing well, and for it to actually continue bearish as it is fundamentally.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of nitpicking, a lot of stuff going on.
And it did hit 165.5, so it's also another good zone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's just turn. Let's look at the 15 and the 30. 30 minutes reflipping. Let's look at the 5.
It's a risky one because JPY is so weak that this could just still continue.
Yeah. So we want the retest. People. If you got in there, stop loss is going to be 15 pips. $15 pepperonis. Manuel, have you got your buy on here?
Waiting, I want a retest. My retest is at 97.63.
Yeah. That's what I've got mine.
But I don't think we will get it, to be honest.
I've got it on it at 6.8 as well.
I don't think we will get it because the 1 minute came down and it almost touched the previous wick.
Yeah.
Almost. So by a hair.
Fucker.
I don't know if that was the retest.
Well, it's 50 minutes until 8 o'clock, I suppose. It's not too far away. Took a 30-minute trade in gold, took 15 pips, currently stop loss at entry, so risk-free, very nice. GG's coming back for round 2. Apologies, you have to wait for this hourly to open. Quickly get a drink.
I reckon gold's gone without us.
Yeah, I think so. Looks like it.
Ja, pitches, Mr. Ritis. Ja.
Of course you're in.
What's up, niggas? With you, Mr. Ritis.
You're getting max banned for sure.
Where's Max? Taking a piss.
Getting a drink.
Drinking
He
toilet
heard you
water.
come on, so he abandoned ship.
Yeah, because pussy me so he didn't take the trade. Easy work, man.
What have you gotten in on?
The retest.
I
Where?
didn't get
That week, that big candle. Like I got in long.
Oh, you got him right at the top there.
No, like below the
Show
4
me,
hour flip. I'm in long time, man.
Oh
below the
yeah,
4
I can
hour.
see. What
Wait,
was it? One.
The closure. Yeah, the closure.
Oh, so you're up like 50 pips.
You're way
Shut
up
up.
now.
Shut up.
Oh, sorry. You're negative 50 pips.
Assalamualaikum. Ayo. Alhamdulillah.
Hey Finn, you're looking at 1703 for gold sales.
Oh yeah, I've already got it on.
All right, good. Taylor pointed out for me, so I was like, damn, yeah. that's good.
Taylor is a weapon.
Yeah, she marked out nicely, and I'm like, yeah, that's a good zone.
Well, I haven't activated it, but I've got my magic keys there ready to go. I want price to just run up to it. That's always a good sign. Then
Yeah,
you get a
I'm gonna
nice reaction.
Yep, I'm gonna be waiting for the 1 minute, just see how it reacts.
Yeah.
Okay. No retest. Fuck. No. So where would TP be? Someone draw where TP would be. Very simple.
That order block up there that
Yep.
we want to get in on.
Yeah.
That's where I've been trying to take it.
That's where you
Literally
take
need my
profit and
entry.
sell back down.
Yep, 100%.
That's where you close your buy and you open yourself.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Gold retested the 15-minute trend line. Oh, the 15-minute trend line. This is Bry. Yeah, there. Yeah, sure did. Mr. Brian. Will gold dump again right at London Open just like yesterday? I wouldn't base what you think on just on one day. It's it's not very consistent, I'd say, but we'll see.
Yeah, but it tends to do it.
If it tends to do it recently for more than one time, then yeah, I mean, and just on the case of it, I mean, we're just breaking and retesting, right? So yeah,
I was going to say that.
Yeah.
Potentially just retesting 1700.
So it makes sense for it to do it this time. Whereas yesterday it didn't. It closed a bullish above, man. She was ready to go. I went, nope.
There's I don't know if you've looked at the news already, Max, but there's red pound news in 2 hours.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, report hearings.
I know it's a while away, but it might just affect it a little bit.
Well, it seems to be really struggling at this 500 level. Yeah.
Ryan's fault, I reckon.
Ah, Goldie. Why does it move nice in that area again? Because it's clean! There's a 30-minute order block at that level on GJ. Is there now? Where? There?
It's invalidated if they mean that one.
Yeah, because it came back up.
And if they mean the little, yeah, that's invalid because it's in the middle of a move. It's not the beginning of a move.
Yeah, I thought that.
Yeah. So the OB is way. If you go to 5 minutes, you might spot one.
I like this for
5 minutes.
continuation, man. It's clean here. It's very, very clean. It should push up. It's just when will it do? Probably at 8 o'clock. So hopefully you can make a nice low wick. And then I'm going to get in. Look at the 5s. Yeah, 5s are pushing up again. 15 is as well. So we'll see.
We'll see what's the score.
Jason. In the building.
Guys, you need to wake up earlier, man. Come on.
I fucking was. I watched it since 5:45.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need to wake up earlier, man.
Oh, it's not. Fuck off. Fuck that. That's a pushing it.
Can't I push my luck as well?
You're fucking an hour ahead, so you can have another hour in, you little shit.
Man, fuck, I'm up like at 4 already. High. I'm up at 4 already. 4 a.m. I'm up, man.
Shit.
Before that sunrise.
You saw that sunrise.
It's a lekker salary over there. Are you afraid because it's 5 minutes to London Open?
No, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of that, Jace. It's just that it's been fanning around here. If you look at the 5 minutes, it's also very, very close to the hourly. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna wait for this closure, right? I mean, if you could take that, beautiful. Your stop is 25 pips, and before it did retrace all the way down 13 pips. But I think it's looking good now, eh?
And the gold bars? Not happy with it.
Yeah, no, I'm happy. I was happy with them. They just didn't come and retest the level that I wanted to, which was here.
Okay. Anyway, love and leave you guys. Make some money.
See you later.
Some money. See you later, Jace. Nice bullish candle, boy. So yeah, it's looking pretty good for Mr. Gigi. Stick. That JPY basket is very bearish and it's still pushing down. Yeah, it's good, man. So we've got two options here, really. If this candle opens and no top wick and comes back down, retests 480, then I might take a buy there, or I'll get in on the flip of the break. The only thing I've got is a stop. Stop there is actually it's 22 pips. That's okay. Why not? We'll see. You and the Domvo trade alike. Yeah, it's because you learn from the same person, I'm pretty sure.
You heard about this woman that was pretended to be a man? This raging feminist woman who pretended to be a man for 2 years. Found out that life as a man was so bad she went and offed herself.
Really?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Shit.
What?
Damn.
That's a
God
reality
damn.
check.
Full on. That's pretty full on, isn't it?
Yeah. Damn.
No one holds the doors
I don't
open
know
for
why-
you.
I don't know why you all laugh. It's not even funny. Just shows how fucking bad we've all got it.
Yeah, but then...
Oh, that's
Yeah, but we don't
fuckers.
kill ourselves over it. So.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I was just joking. We don't actually have it bad. We've got it pretty fucking good, if you ask me.
Yeah, I think my whole thing, especially like just looking from an outside kind of thing, is a little bit like, I just being a girl, just some aspects I just fucking despise.
Killer Joe,
GJ.
Jesus, they're so mean, backstabbing. Oh, and all of them.
Yeah. Oh fucking hell, GJ,
Oh,
man.
Not to work
JJ's
some
gone.
people. Girls among each other, put 5 in a room, and it takes half an hour, and you have, backstabbing. You put them in a room together for half an hour, then split them up, and there's going to be back talking.
Well, I had
5 guys in the room together, and they're all buddies after half an hour.
That is true, but then we don't. The thing is, right? It's all about what surrounds you. For example, like Caitlin tells you about some stuff in work, and the lads are fucking worse than the lasses in terms of just pettiness, just absolutely just fucking just arguments about nothing. It's like, oh my god. So maybe it's just the people who you surround yourself with aren't just fucking.
Also,
you know what I mean? But for me,
she's a lawyer, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking lawyers.
Fucking lawyers. Fucking lawyers, literally.
It's just a big measuring contest and those.
Yeah, it is.
Those emphasis. We're talking about men, not boys who went to school and think they are men.
Yeah. GJ went good. Yeah, it did. Last 5 minutes. Very nice. The hourly flip would have worked. It's just you had to take 13 pips drawdown, which is okay, but it's not. Very nice, Tommy boy. Took a 50-minute Goldie buy, thought it was a break-in trade. I managed to close half because price came to break even. Ooh, very nice. Very nice, strong bullish candle.
No way. I'm gonna get this right. Surely.
$20 pips there. Yeah, it's quite long.
I might get it.
Yeah. Where would I actually want to take the trade? Yeah, it's a little bit. Look at the 30. 500 it would be.
About 500, yeah, I would say on the 5 minutes.
And then stop would be 360.
About 13 pips ish.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No, not at all.
So I'm gonna take a buy. We get to 500 because that's the retest. It's not a buy stop, but I can't be able to change it. It's the only way we're gonna get this, I think. I have a feeling we're probably gonna miss it. So look at Goldie. Goldie's still continuing up, which is nice to see. Hourly time close strongly bullish as well.
Come on, GJ, retest. Don't do a 1 minute fucking retest on the wicks. If it goes through the 1 minute wicks, we got the retest already.
Yeah. EJ retested. Oh, EJ's got no top wick either. Oh, EJ's better. Where can I put my stop on EJ? That's the thing. It hasn't came back yet. 627 would be the one. But anyway, we'll focus on GJ. So the retest on EJ would be here. Might be it. Do 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 do. do, 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 do. Let's take a look at EJ then, because I think GJ right now has probably already done it, and EJ's a bit better because of the fact he doesn't have a top wick. 1 second. I'm going to delete my buy. Let's take a look on the 5 minute. Oh, it's a beautiful retest. See you later, honey. Bye. Love you. 22 pips. And I'm going to take the EJ.
Fucking missed the buy limit for 1.5 pips. Really? Oh, you motherfucker.
You little shit. 142, 400. Yeah, it's gonna be like it's gonna be quite a big stop as well, which is a little bit annoying. Let this pull down. I want to see it tap here. Let's look at the hourly as well. Yeah. I've deleted my buy on GJ. Right, I'm going to take my buy on EJ right now. So I got in at 6:45. Sorry, 6:55. Doo-doo. I'll go break even. Yeah. And we'll see the score. No, 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 do, 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 do. You deleted buy? Yeah, I deleted my GJ one because I missed it, but I'm on EJ right now. And that'll be actually 11 pips from there.
We can also take GJ flip and put stops below the current.
Yeah. I'm already in my EJ, so I'm gonna do my EJ here. I'm pretty happy with the retracement on it as well. Look at the 1 minute. Right at my entry, so. So up around about 4 or 5 pips. Flip boy. Seven, 8, 7 is a little zone. Further above, it's gonna be yeah. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, I mean, it's at 780. It's probably when I'm going to take some positions off over here. Yeah, it's looking good now. So I'm going to go stop loss to break even when we flip this candle. And I'm already at TP1, which is 10 pips. But the stop was quite big. So you got to think of, you know, do you want to close some more right now? Or do you want to wait for the flip and then to continue? So for me here, I'm going to go stop loss to break even. I really want this counter flip. And then I may take some positions off very shortly. Okay, beautiful. So I'm up around about 10, 12 pips right now. I'm going to take 70% off. Stop loss to break even and then let the rest run, boy. So stop loss to break even. We really should be flipping this. We shouldn't really come back to my entry now, right? And we should drive. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Very nice.
That was a perfect. Look at that retest. Fuck yeah.
Very nice.
That's the one.
That was a beautiful one, man. That's a TP one hit. Dude. Oh shit, I didn't mean to put 50%. 1 second. So see if my runner can stay on. Stop wasn't actually that bad, was it? It was 13. I can't even think it was GJ, so that's not bad. Beautiful. I took my 10 pips over here, looking like my runner may get stopped out. I'm in by the skin of my teeth right now. Did we actually ever go flip that candle? No, we didn't. Did we on my MetaTrader? No. But I got my 10. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
That's all you need.
That's all I need, boy. W's in the chat, amazing work. Finally, a beautiful, nice little trade for the morning. My entry's actually still in. I think I got in a little bit lower after I put mine. So people who normally got in before there, they might not be in now, but I am still in. At 643 is my entry. So obviously this could continue. It really should still flip that candle though, so we'll see. And if not, beautiful. Looking like GJ's struggling as well.
Yeah, GG flipped the 50 minutes, came 8 pips and said, fuck you.
I got 8 pips, so that's okay. You'd take that break even, eh?
Yeah.
I'm still in this EJ. I'm still in this EJ. If people are still in, or did they get hit out? I clicked it twice, so I've got a 643 entry, and my other one was 652. So one of them stayed in. Ah, fuck. Beautiful. Some good chats in the chat as well about OBs and stuff. You guys all learn together. That's the whole point of it, man. You bounce off each other. That's what our whole group's about, man. We should sit. We bounce off ideas off each other. It's sick. Come on, boy. Give me a stinker now. 143 is my take profit too. Let's take a look at gold. Has gold done anything? Ooh,
It's done the retest at 1700.
Yeah.
It was just where did you put your stop loss? Unless you were going to run it.
Yeah.
37 pips.
I mean, if this 30-minute closes below this resistance here, this one here, it should continue back down the lows. So we'll see for then as well.
Nah, don't want that to happen. Come on, come back up.
Yeah, needs to come back up. Might be new.
Get the fuck up there.
It's all good. Otherwise, we just take a sell in the middle and wait for it to come back up.
My runner got hit out over here. Beautiful.
Yesterday, I was waiting for a sell and I took 2 buys on the way up, so I was bored waiting. So I just said, I'm gonna buy. Got a lot of, what was it, 52 pips in total, and then I sold it for 100, so I was good.
There's 10 pips. Beautiful. So coming down over here now, let's take a look at GJ as well. Yeah, GJ seems to be struggling at this area, but I mean, what can you make sense from it really, with in terms of just the Asian session was, you know, pretty aggressive, right? Pretty aggressive. Also took the 1 hour Goldie buy, just wanted it to go back up. I think a lot of people want it to go back up actually. Yeah. I may put in a litter here and just watch it play out. See the OBs. See how it works. Wait, what was this, Joe? I've been going mad because the trade wouldn't execute. I withdraw my money to transfer to Blue Market. You fucking retard. Joe. My days. So couldn't flip that candle. I think it got very close. Yeah, it did actually. Pretty sure.
Looks like a 15-minute fake out on EJ.
Yeah. The only thing is that the fake out is you want a nice zone to fill. It's 17 pips. It just looks very small. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about that EJ hasn't got the big retest yet, or a retracement.
Yeah. Let's look at the 5.
I'm not gonna take it, but I'm gonna paper trade it.
I'd like it to make a top wick first.
Yeah.
693 would be nice. Brian, I don't miss you guys. What currency right now? We're looking at GJ, gold, and EJ. This is what we look at. We also look a bit at GU as well, just to show. Oh wow, it did. Got to the level I talked about. Clean candle to the left, so that was a good opportunity for people to take. I think that 15 there is maybe a little bit sweaty bally. At 730, but okay. Sells below at 142.4 on EJ, look nice. 142.4, yeah. That's the current support. So yeah, back down below would be nice. Clean candles as well. 43 likes, guys. Make sure you like up the stream. Like up the stream. I think, yeah. So how long left for this 4 hour to close on gold? Oh, I still got 1 hour and 43 minutes. Still got a while. Still got a little while. Just do that. Do you see anything else on gold, anyone, Manuel, on a trend line or not?
Set a sell limit. Alright, I'll give you a price. 1702.
My sell limit is 1702.73.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's 0.63. Yeah.
Mine's 0.68.
No.
Oh, I'm 0.63. I hear you, you fuckers.
There's my 5-minute trend line as well below.
What's your TP? 1692.53 is mine. 100 pippers.
16 what?
92.53.
91.85.
91.80.
2.22.
Yeah, all the way
I
down.
just did it to the bottom of that candle.
Mine would be like 92.
To be honest, if we push all the way down, and we have the momentum to push all the way down, then
I'll move my stop. Yeah, I'll drop my stop another 100 bit.
1682 would be nice, yeah. It's possible, for sure.
Do we have any major news for USD this week? CPY?
Today.
Let's
have a look.
FOMC member speaks at 3 o'clock. Nothing too much, really.
Tomorrow we've got the chair power speaks. Not much. No, we haven't really. I don't know. There's red news tomorrow.
There are jobless claims, but you know they fiddle with them.
Yeah.
You know, imagine if we activated us. News comes out, dumps 100 pips, completely slips our TP, and just keeps running another 100. That'd be fucking lovely.
It's happened before. I had that one on a buy on gold once. The first one I showed Sashin. It's gonna go well. Tapped me in. It went 2 pips below my entry, and then it shot up and it kept going for 4 days. That was lovely because I only had like a 7 pip stop loss on it. So.
So let me just see, right? Because I really wanted to take this 30-minute break. Let's just see. I don't care about stops. I'm just fucking going for this with this lower stop here. 26 pips. How much did I get out of that? 20. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay. Looking like these GJ and EJ are going to come down. EJ made a little bit of a top wick. Paper it. Stop loss above would be 18 pepperonis.
Holy fuck.
What?
A group of 5 teenagers in Australia. One of them just got his license, and the youngest one was 14. All between 14 and 18 killed in the car accident yesterday. Fuck yeah, no.
Damn.
Welcome to Australia.
Happens here too. A couple of weeks ago, there was some months ago in the middle of the summer. Up here, I think you have the same in Australia, where people as of the age of 16 can drive a car like a ute, but it's limited in speed. Do you still have that?
Yeah, you're only allowed to do 90 kilometers an hour.
Okay.
But that's only in some states.
Okay. Here it's 30 kilometers an hour, and you can drive
30?
Yeah. Because
What the fuck? That's more dangerous than anything. Imagine if you were
there's
humming
not
down
a
the
lot of
highway in
traffic.
100 and there was some little fucker going 30.
Oh, it
But you
happens.
can't drive
It
on
happens.
highways with these cars.
Oh yeah, you can.
Wow.
There's people driving quad bikes and tractors on the motorway. It's always exciting because you have to be on high alert when driving. Yeah, but hey, anyways, there's like reindeer and moose running around, so you always
have to be careful.
Yeah. So, but they were like, I think it was 7 of them in a car, and they crashed because they're only allowed to go 30, but everybody knows what teenagers do. Fuck, we all did it. You don't keep that speed limit. You fiddle with the car or the moped until it goes a lot faster.
Yeah.
And they lost control, and 5 of them died.
Shit.
So
It's sad,
that sparked a big discussion. And stuff like that is making people think about how they don't get checked regularly.
Do you have autobahns in where you live, Vincent?
Sweden.
Are they called autobahns?
No, that's Germany.
Yeah, Germany has them.
We can go like 110, but the more you go up north, the less that is a restriction. People up here laugh with it. The speed restrictions, not when you're in a village or something, but yeah, we have small villages and then like 50, 60 miles of nothing in between. They say it's an advisory speed during winter. If you keep you to that speed, you're less likely to go off the road when there's ice on the road. Otherwise, it's just an indicator. So everybody goes about 10 to 20% faster than what's on the signs. I can tell you 120 on gravel roads is pretty fucking exciting.
Oh, it's loose, mate. My house is on a dirt road. When it's wet, if you're going 100 down the dirt road, the car starts fucking swaying.
It's like floating on something. It's not really driving anymore, is it?
No, it's not. It gets pretty loose.
Yep. I know how that feels.
Now GJ's just going to go up again.
I know, man. It's fucking retarded.
An EJ.
GJ, sorry, Max. I mean, it's just my stops aren't safe with this. The 15's closed bearish. It should have really been able to push at 8 o'clock, and it hasn't. So I'm not liking it anymore.
Wow, I hope this break and retest on gold wasn't the move. I want it to come up a bit higher.
See gold the way I've been seeing it. It's now gonna retest the trend line which it broke.
Yeah, and then go back up.
And then go back up.
Yeah, and then grab our entry. And then
it's now retesting a support area resistance I have at 1697, 69.
Yeah. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. I'm waiting for this 5-minute trend line to break with gold here. It's a 30-minute gonna be closing below as well. Yeah, boy. Someone says, wait, hi, wait, isn't it natural selection? For people in fucking car accidents, my god.
Natural selection, oh my god.
They wouldn't call it natural selection if one of their kids was in a car and not driving.
Yeah.
They wouldn't be fucking laughing at fucking
That's
people.
true. Exactly. Bro, I thought you only take first partials on retest trades when 10 pips post the flip happening, which increases your R and discounts your entry. Isn't that the whole point of it? Yeah, but for the meantime, I'm getting as much as I can get out of the markets right now. And when we couldn't flip the candle, man, I'm fucking taking my 10 pips. My stop was 13 pips. I'm going to take some at 10. And I'm glad I did. Oh, this Goldie looks good. Can also wait to see a little bit of the direction for entry. Look at this. Interesting.
Why couldn't it just come up a bit higher?
Oh, it will. It's gotta grab retail liquidity and then it goes up.
It's retesting a 5-minute OB now.
Yeah, it's true.
So we
Yes,
might
sir.
come to the trend line and reject the trend line and then push up. It's retesting the 1-minute OB now. Retested it already. And the trend line.
This EJ is going to finally go now. Now it's got a good top wick, so you could paper this. Your stop was 18 pips, your gain is 18. Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to focus on Goldie over here.
Yeah, I'm in gold buys.
You can go buys now?
I'm up 6 pips.
Up 7.
On the trend. Oh!
If it comes back to entry, I'm just going to jump out.
Yeah. Good idea.
I went for it as well, just for my stop loss, 1796.41.
Mm-hmm. 1796.
Point what?
Tight stops.
4-1.
1790. Sorry. 1796.29. 0.3 basically.
Yeah, mine is already 96.85.
Oh, you might be good if it's 30 doesn't close below.
Fuck, should have fucking put full risk on this bitch.
Now retesting a 1-minute OB as well.
Stop us 30 pips. Shit. Should have, could have, would have. Finn's so tired of hearing it.
Ah?
Brian's rinsing in the chat.
Has Brian packed his mic already?
He's been a keyboard warrior.
Yeah, Brian's just a sook. Biggest pussy. Come on, gold. What are you gonna do?
Well, if gold pushes up a little bit more and closes, it will close above the descendant trend line.
Yep. Not quite though. Oh, sorry. No, it is.
Mm-hmm. It is. If this 5 minute flips, yeah, close above, and now.
Yep, we'll probably just come down and tap it again.
Well, I'm looking for sells.
I'm also waiting for sales.
On this 30 to make a top wick.
I'm not.
Ah, fuck's sake. Man! Give it a top wick! Here it goes. Good GJ. Oh, GJ's 15's closed above, 30's closed above again. Just where's the volume, bro? So now if I move this like that, rejected it, it's resistance forming, and it's also closure back in the zone. Is it closure back in the zone? Oh, it's right on it. Yeah, it's a little bit harder.
Well, it was worth a go on the rejection off the trend line.
Yeah, boy.
Got a 10 pip reaction.
Did you get up 10 pips?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 12 actually.
Yeah, I got like 117 points or something.
Now I want this 5 minute to close below this trend line. Below 96.32 would be nice.
Yep.
Yeah, and then I have a support resistance at 96.32. A small one. There.
Yeah.
If
Oh,
it goes
yeah.
below that, and then a retest on the trend line, stops will be fucking small. It'll be around 10 pips, 11 pips ish.
Yeah, GJ and EJ looking a little bit tough right now.
It looks like this move's going to hold. Top never would have gotten hit.
I'm just grabbing my 30s, made a top wick now, so if we get a closure.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I'm just waiting for the OB retest. There.
Dalsy, man. I want the cells. Cells are the goer.
Yeah, boy.
At the top, though, I want the fucking nice cells.
You want them over here. They can get there. If we re-break that low, we're good. 19 pip stop. 39 pip gain. So we'll see. How much would stops be now? 20 pips. Just entered gold sell. Ooh, interesting. It's very bit bullish for a gold sell right now, I'd say, but that's fair dues.
Fucking gold.
I'm up 16 pips for the buy.
Very nice. Where did you get in?
Well done.
Just on the 1 minute zone below. At 1767. Yeah, 1767.
Wait, what? 16.
1697, sorry.
1697. Yeah.
That's. Did you just held? Did you? Fuck, I wish I
No,
held.
I just entered.
Oh,
when it
you
came back
just
down.
entered.
Yeah, I'm already break even, so let's see if this can run.
CJ.
Yeah, I think you
Yep.
can.
Coming straight up to my entry.
Yep, and close the buy and then enter sells.
Yep. Oh, this is gonna go now. Wow. As if. Actually lost $28 on that trade.
Commission.
So, pretty annoying now that it's gonna win. I just let it go into it. Just went into a bit of drawdown before I closed it. $28. Fuck. That's a whole dinner.
It's a big dinner.
It's a big dinner.
It's a big dinner if you go places like me, like Mackey's. It's good. It's a good feast. That.
Oh, have you got the Monopoly thing back on at Macca's?
I haven't been the past day, so I don't really remember it in the second day I went. I think it should be back soon though.
We've got it. It just started up last week. Yeah,
I fucking love
We've
it,
been
mate.
going hard, getting frozen cokes and stuff, trying to get as many tickets as possible.
I just love doing that shit. I'd always get like the things with the most stickers, like drinks. You get quite a lot in. You get like fucking 3. I used to get wrap of the days because they always had quite a lot on them. They're quite cheap. How much is a wrap of the day? Do you even have a wrap of the day in Australia?
No, we don't. I don't
wrap
think.
of the days are the fucking best.
Really?
If I go to Mackey's, I'm getting a wrap. I'm getting a Big Mac meal probably. A wrap of the day, a cheeseburger, and a chicken mayo. That's not in my order. And that's on a light day.
That's unbelievable. You fat fuck.
And I could eat more after as well. Sometimes I get a McFlurry as well, actually. Yeah, I get a McFlurry.
What?
I mean, I can eat, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you must spend like $30 at Macca's.
Nah, that's quite cheap. I mean, Big Mac meal.
Sorry,
Big Mac meal is maybe
let me
like
just work out.
£8, and then the wrap of the day is £1.99, so that's 10. McFlurry's 1, that's 11, and then those two things like £2. It's like 13 quid.
That's like $25. What the? That's 2 meals.
Ah, fuck, not for me.
The first time when McFlurries came out, when I was a kid, my dad went to the drive-through and asked for a McFluffy, and the lady behind the thing could not stop laughing.
Really?
Oh my god! Yeah, absolutely lost it. Wow, Manuel, are you a bit salty right now? Is it just me?
Yeah, a bit.
Salt.
A bit.
This EJ is fucking with people here in the 5. I've been watching it on the right. Yeah, it's because Asians had a big thing. We haven't really moved much since 7 o'clock. We haven't really moved much, really. Oh, Ninja, we were talking about it before. We like that shit, man. Good stuff.
Oh,
man.
were you? Oh,
Yeah,
I was in
we were
it.
talking about it before. I like. I really want to learn how to do it, but the thing is that if you did them every single day, and this one's like an education one, right? But if it was just I think as you said, if it was just right, I've entered here, like I'll give you one today, right?
Sure. Yep.
And I think because you've already got, I mean the text is amazing. You've already got kind of how it works. I bet it's much quicker this one.
It would be much quicker, yeah.
Do you use it on Premiere Pro? Is that what you use?
I use my phone. I do it on Video Leap.
Fuck off! You use it on your phone. Holy
I do all my
shit, that's
cinematic
mad.
edits and everything on my phone, yeah.
That's mad.
I hate PC softwares.
Nah, Premiere Pro is good shit. I like Premiere Pro.
Seems too complicated for me. And Video Leap is quite simplified.
Yeah.
And you can do a lot.
Well, yeah, you did pretty much everything that you'd want to do there. That's good shit.
I'd be more than happy to keep doing it. I got a lot of free time.
Yeah, we'll I'll post that one today, and I'll give you this new one. See if it's quick. Because an hour and a half is a lot of time.
Oh, that's fine for me. I just sit in bed doing it. No problem.
But I think this one, I mean, it will take you a lot less time because it's literally, I'm entering now, TP hit, stop loss break, stop loss break, TP hit. That's pretty much all it is.
Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
Yeah. Okay, GJ is coming back up again. The 5-minute looks shit. The 15 made a nice little work. How much it stops here? 18 pips. I just fucking hate buying the highs when it's already been struggling there. If this was clean before, then I'd like it. I mean, yes, it's a closure above. It's a nice little wick as well. The 5 doesn't give you much hope, to be honest. 5 just got a res. Sim today? Yeah, we got Sims today. Yes, sir. EJ pushing up 2. See if you can flip this candle. So 3 minutes left for this closure. It's interesting that has to wait until 8:40 to start pushing. We'll do it at 9:45, 10 o'clock, somewhere like that, around there. Yeah, put it at 10 o'clock. Yeah, we'll finish that stupid December one because the December on gold is when COVID actually came out, so it's kind of it's an absolute fuckery 5-minute trend line. It's just either a massive a 5-minute candle was 120 pips in one of our sims. Shit, madness. Ah, fuck. 30 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes left for this 15. $166 is a good target today as well. Just breaks above this res, man. Been holding it for a while. Yeah, and EJ not the best price action either. I mean, a little bit of support there. You could say this is a little bit of a break and retest, but it did close below. But then it closed back above, making the support, then lower wick, and then fill. So that wasn't too bad. And Goldie, I think later on, it's gonna be.
TJ might be struggling a little bit because of the 750 area.
Yeah. Oh yes. The dreaded 750.
Yeah.
It's the first minute candle to close above. Breaks that high, it should really go on the minute. But obviously it's a low time frame. A minute 30 seconds left for this 15 to close. So what was the trade of the morning? Well, the easier one that I took was pretty sexy. 0 drawdown, pretty much. Straight to TP, 10 pips. Pretty happy with that. So there we go. The rest, I think gold as well. Gold on the 5 minute was actually not too bad before. Here, I think it was down there. Yeah, it was like a. Yeah, that's when I started looking at the charts. That one worked out pretty nicely, actually. The only issue I had and why we didn't enter is it wasn't really a retrace. And the trend line is much further down. So GJ closing right now in 20 seconds time. Let's take a look at the chart 1 second. My GJ runner needs to. So we're happy for 90 pip TP. When did you get in, Bri? Yesterday? So yeah, 15 didn't close above. It's really struggling at this level, man. Fuck. Losing the volume. Ninja, what are you doing with your gold you buy?
I'm still holding it.
Holding it till here?
Yep. It's 1702.5.
Yeah. Agree.
And then from there, gonna look for an entry to sell if I can get the M1s looking decent at least. And if it's a loss, it doesn't really bother me. Sorry.
Yeah, well, especially after that first dub, innit?
Exactly. Yeah.
The 30-minute actually didn't break the high. Yeah. No, it did. Yeah, it's not. This 5 minutes really struggling to break. This is the issue of going right at the highs, which is what I'm trying to avoid now. The issue you have with it is that it's clearly a resistance, and the stop losses are big. And if it rejects, it slaps your stop so quick. And you're like, was it really worth it just to buy the high? I would rather getting a bit lower. And you can think, well, yeah, there wasn't really much to get in a bit lower, so it's probably not the best example. But the one to get in was the EJ one when it made the lower wick and no top wick and retested perfectly.
Did some of you guys, because I missed it, take like a buy on the retest of the trend line on gold? Is that like a buy?
I think
Manuel did, no?
I think Manuel and Finn did, but they put break even when they're up like 6 pips, I think 6-7 pips.
Because I was just interested what where you put your stop loss. Is it just to the left, just below to the left? That 5 minute route, like.
Where did you put it, Manuel? There. Yeah.
Below the wick there.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, below the wick. And there we go. Look, if people try to trade GJ here, you're gonna be slapped. It's like, oh, what a pain in the ass. It's like buying the highs is just a pain in the ass, man. I'd say that's, for the most part, when I started learning, that's where all of Raj's losses came from, and mine, when I was learning. Buying the fucking highs.
Alright, let's see what's happening here. GJ again with another rejection. Yeah, they kind of body close immediately in gold. Gold, oh shit, gold's actually been in his favor.
Holy fuck, cuz.
Yeah, gold's pushing.
Pushing yeah.
5 minutes.
It's like 5 pips. Let's go.
Very nice. Very nice.
Whatever. Come on, hit the next OB. Come on.
Hit the next OB. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's a little break. How far is it to... Let's take a look. It's also, I think, even just under 30. Yeah, wow, that's pushing hard. Damn.
Yeah. Pushing very hard.
Which is actually what you want to see.
Yeah. Ooh. Grab my little box on over here. Straight to the daily flip.
Gold's coming up.
It's very bullish. That's the thing. So I wanna watch it get in that box and start to see how it reacts there, eh?
It's not just a order block complex. Like there's more.
Well, yeah.
It's a different style of trading.
Does Sniper have a channel? Sniper? Who the fuck's Sniper? Oh, Ninja Sniper. Is it? Oh no. Who the fuck's Sniper?
There's a bunch of them in here lately.
Sniper! Ninja. Oh, Ninja. Ninja. Don't know if he does.
I'm Ninja Temp. It's not Ninja Sniper. Yeah, I do have a YouTube channel. It's just like a gaming one.
Brian's calling you Nina.
He's always calling me
Yeah.
Nina for some reason.
I think it was a typo once.
Yeah, that one day that they typed it wrong.
What? Tap that daily flip to the T. What game do you play, Ninja?
Warzone, pretty much. Yeah, just Warzone.
I can't get into Warzone, man. It's because I don't want to play it by myself. You gotta play with mates. I can't play it by myself.
Yeah, I don't play by myself. I only play with my friends, man.
Yeah.
Other than that, Black Ops, basically Call of Duty, and sometimes GTA.
Yeah, Call of Duty's fire.
New one's coming out in a month. Gonna play the beta.
Yes. I'm not gonna leave my fucking house.
I don't leave it anyways.
I don't leave my house. Oh, Goldie.
Perfect situation. We get tapped in just before the hourly. Dumps a bit, comes back up, tests it, dumps again.
I like it when the H1 closes just below, the next one taps it, and then just completely drops. Yeah, I love it. I know exactly what you mean.
Either way.
Yeah.
I like it when it comes up strong at it like this though too, because you get a better reaction.
And then if we can get a next H1 just bearish engulfing completely, like, those ones are the best ones.
Hundy. And this could be a hold on move as well.
1690 definitely is what I'm going to be targeting. Like that type of zone.
Taylor, you even play video games? Oh my god.
Oh god.
Well, the buys that we had on would be up 46 pips right now. That sucks.
I am up 42.
Very nice. GJ and EJ acting like fucking weapons right now.
Yeah. MW2.
Black Ops 2 was Black Ops 2 was good too. Did anyone else grind the shit out of that game?
Yeah, man. I had all the DLCs.
Oh.
I was bashing Origin zombie map. It's fucking the best map ever.
Oh, Origins is sick.
Yeah, the fucking staffs in the back, and I'm there like fucking rap.
Yes.
Oh, mate, I knew all the fucking things, knew all the pack-a-punches for them, all the upgrades. Man, I literally had all the photos on my phone to know like the patterns to get like the fucking fire staff and shit.
The fire staff's the best one. I love fire staff.
Yeah, I only use a fire staff for my mates.
Yeah, same.
They've got the shit ones. I just got the fucking
Fire staff is always the one for me. Yeah.
Oh, what a game. What a fucking game that was. You fucking walk around a zombie map and there's fucking massive robots flying around. There's just so much going on. The Pack-a-Punch skin on that one was sick as well. It was like ice. It was like an invisible, bluish. That was sick. What a fucking map. I bashed the shit out of that.
That's why I got Black Ops 3 on PC to play Origins and like custom maps and stuff. Origins too good. Love that. Then you had those big Panzer robots, like every 7 rounds.
Yeah, the big meaty guns.
Yeah.
Oh, what? I fucking love just fucking jacking off and playing that 15 hours a fucking day, just fucking sitting in my sweaty ball of a room and just fucking doing nothing through summer holidays. Oh, God, that was great. Oh, shit, it's coming up. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna watch.
Yo, no, missed my TP by 1 pip. Whoa, go back up. We didn't.
Don't, Ninja, don't be a fucking retard. Nah, you're good. I think you're good here.
Yeah, that should happen.
This is when everyone goes silent because everyone's taking fucking self.
I'm just waiting to get activated.
Yeah.
Only a 10 pip stop. It's worth it.
Yeah.
The next hourly needs to make it top week. So
Where's your activation at, Finn?
Alright, that's TP here. Good.
It's about to be in.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not in
fucking
yet.
close.
Close as fuck is the swearing.
Come on. Nope.
Still not in.
It's just sitting there. God damn it.
Now I can send it. I got the win, so I can take the loss. That's not a problem. I can send it.
Yeah.
On.
Oh, I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
Yep, same here.
That tapped me in by the fucking hair off my balls. It'll probably push up into it a little more. I reckon it should test like half of it.
Yeah, I like the 3-minute one. It's a bit
I reckon we'll come into 1703.1-ish.
Yep.
Before we come back down.
That's where I've got mine.
Straight through it, pop.
I would like it to just go up a bit higher. Yeah.
Watch this just shoot through.
Yeah, probably.
Getting everybody excited and then I was.
I know. We're just gonna get fucked.
I still haven't taken it. I'm still waiting.
For a 10 pip risk, it's worth it. For me.
So I like to get in as high as it can go, because then if it hits stop, it's nothing. It's 2 pips, 3 pips. It's fine.
Yeah, sometimes you miss it though.
To be on Goldie back 20 pips already. Amazing. Well done. I got my 10 pips today. I'm happy. I watch this.
Yeah, flip it. I'm in. Stop loss just.
Doo-doo.
Just gotta survive. Not looking real good right now.
What was I gonna say? Confirm on the 1 minute. Don't just blindly enter. Good words of advice.
That is very true.
It's a different style.
It's a different style of trading.
Exactly. What was this? Doctor has referred you. You need to call. Ooh. Far left, a minute left for the new hourly candle to open. If this hourly candle closes above, it's gonna be interesting.
We just need that reaction.
Oh my god, GJ's going again. My fucking days. Do they ever stop?
Where did you get in, Ninja?
1703.35. It's literally where it is right now, exactly where it is.
Yeah, I got another entry on the top at 7:03:72. The start of the 1 minute OB.
Oh damn. Yeah, that 1 minute on the left, that's what I was looking at. This moment it tapped, I just entered.
Yeah.
Now, in an ideal situation, we do a bit of a top wick, don't break the hourly high, and dump.
Dump.
Do a little bit of a top wick. What you doing? Do we hold it? So, might be alright. Maybe. Let's just see.
See?
Look at GG 30-minute candles. You can tell it's losing fuel, eh? So probably best to wait for a support somewhere.
Everyone's silent.
Well, I'm just...
That's because we're trying to see if we're about to get fucked or not.
I'm just watching GJ break me. Break it, GJ, go, finally. How many entries you snap on that call, Maxi? Fucking 0. So the EJ, yeah, the EJ stayed on after that 10 pips. I'm surprised it didn't flip that, man. It really should have. Is it broken now? Oh, it's breaking.
1 minute candles are looking good on the Goldie.
We can re-break this low we might be on. Survive the... Let's just see.
The top wick, I guess.
Survive the top wick.
Sure, yeah. But...
I'm at I'm in 1.7
break
pip
even.
drawdown.
There we
Yeah,
go.
here we go. I've just hit blue.
Just for a
Let's
half
just see.
second there.
Yeah, just for a bit.
The blue is on your screen.
It's not
It's
gonna
exactly
drop
what
like a stone, you know. It takes time.
No, it's gonna
Yeah.
trickle.
I'm gonna get a
Just
drink.
see
one
how,
sec.
see what I said before, how it'll come in and test it, and as long as the wick doesn't break it, we might get the drop.
Yeah,
Gotta hope we get the drop.
but it's not gonna drop like a rock. It's gonna just slowly go down. It has all day until New York.
Yeah. Hopefully. Finn's going to get a water. Hopefully this is a banger. So if anyone took this, you're at price right now.
Yeah, I'm not liking this. And we're out.
Yep.
I put my stop above the wick on the hourly chart. There's one that wick up a bit to the left. Put my stop
So it's
there.
breaking it. Let's take a look at the 15.
I should have held my buys.
It's very bullish, eh? Let's look at the hourly. Hourly still hasn't closed above. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ finally pushed. Was there any other entries? It's just, yeah, it's garbage, man. It's fucking garbage. EJ, that closure above. It's okay. How much was the stops? Wasn't too shabby, actually. Did they make the lower wick first?
Damn, we got pinched.
Pinched, boy. It's very bullish, man.
I was up 6 pips.
Let's look at the daily. Daily's reflipping, double bottom now. Interesting. Interesting. So yeah, we'll start doing the simulation at like 10 o'clock. And yeah, we'll finish that little gold sim on the 5-minute trend line on December, and then we'll do another month as well. So thank you very much for coming on, guys. We'll see you guys later on. Peace out, squad.
See you later.
See you later, guys.
See you
Peace
later.
out, man.
Thank you very much, Max.
See you later, guys.
All right.
Peace out. See you later, squad. See you later, squad. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator. Oh, not that one. There we go.